Hey y'all, so I got this fall kitchen towel from Dollar General and we're gonna make a little hat for our wooden block scarecrow out of it. So I cut my fabric to about 6 inches. This will depend on the size of your wooden block and what size you want the hat to be. So first I just glued my fabric around the straw and then I just kind of folded my fabric. It's a little off camera for that, so sorry about that. But I just folded those two edges and glued those together as well. And then I just wrapped it around my wood block to determine where I needed to close it off at so that it would fit around the wood block. And to finish off the top of the hat, I just kind of scrunched up the edges and just glued them all together in kind of like a folded manner to give it kind of like a scrunchy look. And then I just tied a piece of twine around that. And since this towel is reversible, it has this pumpkin design on the inside, so I folded that out and then move on to adding our straw to our wood block. So I'm using my staple gun to do this, and since the hat will come down most of the way right here, I'm just going to staple it down onto the sides as well. And you'll see my wood block has some paint on it. I did have a different idea for this originally, but then I decided to go with this idea instead, so that's why that looks like that. And now I'm just trimming up my scarecrow's hair a little bit, giving him some bangs and whatnot, and then we can just slip on our little hat over our scarecrow. And I'm using a black paint pen to draw on my scarecrow's face. You can find paint pens like these on Amazon, or you can also get them at Walmart. I tend to do little X's and stuff on it to kind of give it like a stitching look for my scarecrow's face. And I also usually always add a little white to their eyes just to give them a little more of an expression. And one of my followers on here gifted me this really cute fall ribbon, so I thought that that would be a cute little touch to the bottom of the scarecrow, and just made a simple little bow and attached that to the front because y'all know I always love to add a little bow somewhere. So this is how he turned out. I think it's super cute. This is another one that I made as well. So yeah, it's just a cute idea that I wanted to share with y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you so much for watching.